Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can play games on Facebook with your friends. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Facebook app. Then tap right here at menu icon and scroll down until you find gaming. If you can't find gaming right here at that shortcuts, just hit at see more to show more shortcuts right here. You can see that gaming shortcut, just get into it, and on that step you have to choose the game that you want to play. You can select right from here different categories, and then you can just hit on play and then play on Facebook. After that, the game starts loading, and after the game loaded, you can play with your friends or with computer in that simple way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.